It's another Monday, Tuesday. I didn't come down yesterday and I had a signal on the alarm. The power went out and I got here and it looks like somebody's tried to pull this door off and broken a window and tried to get in. I've called the police to come because I'm not sure if anybody's inside or not, and I haven't tried to open it, but it looks like this door's been unlocked from the inside. So I'm just waiting on some officers to arrive and walk through with me. Officer Albee and another officer inside searching right now. They wanted me to stay outside, so I'm just waiting, hoping they don't find anything. Okay, the police just left and it looks like nobody got inside. They used this cinder block and beat on this door and knocked the heck out of it, but it's braced pretty well inside, so they didn't get in. But now the door will have to come out and be remade, but that's on the list of things to do anyway. I broke my electrical conduit, so that'll probably cost a lot to have an electrician come disconnect and replace that. I don't know how they did it, but it does look like they broke this window and either climbed in or held onto that pipe, stood on the ledge and reached inside to unlock the door. But the good news is they cut themselves pretty bad because the officers found blood everywhere on the walls and dripped on the floor. So maybe they learned a lesson. Once they were in this little foyer area, they didn't get past these three doors. There's three doors that are deadbolted, one going into the storeroom, one going into the kitchen that's actually caulked shut, and the main door going into the house. So they didn't get past this point. That's all. Not a lot of work went on this day. I was busy all morning with the police and checking out the house and ordering more lights and more sensors for the alarm system and maybe a couple more cameras. Fortunately, there was no harm and nothing was taken, but it is frustrating. There's always kind of non-construction related problems to take care of when you're doing something like this. So that's all for now. Just wanted to give y'all a quick update on some of the goings on here. Hopefully there won't be anything bad like this to report in the future, but there is a lot of work going on here at the League-Kempner House in Galveston. We're a 501c3 dedicated to returning this house to its original glory. So be sure and subscribe and turn on notifications because you don't want to miss out on any of the work going on here. Check out our website too, League-KempnerHouse.org, for all the ways you can support these efforts. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you back next time.